Hey, Miss Huddle.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Sexton. How are you today?
I'm doing so good, because I'm reading this really fun problem about cupcakes.
Oh, no way, because that's what I was just doing, was making some.
Really? Well, this problem must have known that, because my problem says Miss Huddle made 24 cupcakes and shared them equally with her friends, Mrs. Sexton. Thank you, Mrs.
welcome.
Shagru and Mrs. Mitchell. How many do each of them get? So I'm so excited.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure what to do because I was thinking about the word problems that I've solved before.
Right.
And I know that for all the ones I've solved before, I've used addition or subtraction, and those things don't really seem to work in this problem. So help me out.
All right, Mrs. Sexton. Well, first of all, we need to know how many people are we serving cupcakes to?
We're serving cupcakes to me,
1,
Mrs. Shagru,
2,
and Mrs. Mitchell, 3.
3. Wait a second. It says that Miss Huddle shared the cupcakes, which means that I received some as well. So see, scholars, when there's a problem that says a person shared, okay, so imagine you have some toys, right? You would still get some of your dinosaur toys while you share the dinosaurs with your friends.
That's true. So you get some cupcakes too.
4 people are sharing some cupcakes.
Perfect.
Okay? How many cupcakes are we sharing?
Let me look in the problem for that.
Okay.
Oh, there's 24 cupcakes.
Oh, right. So do you know what I think first is I think the first thing we should do when we read a word problem is draw a picture.
Okay.
So Miss Sexton, let's do an H, an SE, SU, and an M, representing Miss Huddle, Miss Sexton, Miss Shagru, and Miss Mitchell.
Okay, there's you. You have curly hair.
Love it. And when I do word
there's me.
problems, I like to draw pictures and represent the person that I'm thinking of. Because they're really just stories. We don't have to be afraid of them.
All right, there's me.
Look how cute.
And there's Miss Shagru.
There she is.
And there's Mrs. Mitchell.
That's right.
All right, so let's see. Mrs. Sexton has long hair.
Yeah.
Miss Shagru has short hair. And then we'll give Miss Mitchell some hair too. We don't have to. Okay, there we go.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So, Mrs. Sexton, what we're going to do is if we have 24 and it's an equal share, then what I think we should do is count out loud and give each person 1 cupcake. See how that goes.
Okay. 1 for you. There's a cupcake. 1 for me, 1 for Miss Shagru, 1 for Mrs. Mitchell.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we each have an equal share. Do we have 24 yet?
No, we only have 4.
Okay, keep passing them out until everybody has an equal share of 24.
All right. That's 2, 4, 6, 8. So I got to keep going.
11.
Those are 3s.
12.
So we have 3, 6, 9, 12. Oh, nope, doesn't
Not
work yet.
quite. 13,
There's
14,
4,
15,
16,
16.
17, 18, 19, 20.
Oh,
we're close. Oh, 21, 22, 23, and 24.
Mrs. Sexton, how much do each of my
Oh.
friends have?
Let's see. Well, you have 6, and I have 6.
That's right.
Mrs. Shagru has 6, and Mrs. Mitchell has 6 also.
So we each get 6, which answers the question, how many do each of them get? So what we did was we took 24 cupcakes and we shared them equally. When we share something equally, we are dividing.
All right. So should we try to represent that with a division sentence, Miss
Let's do it.
All right. Let me see. Let me make sure that I have space for it. Let me move that down. So now my divisions, wait, how do I make a division sentence? I know I had, the answer was 6. And
Okay.
I know there's a 24
Oh
and
my
a 4.
goodness, you bring up such a good point. Mrs. Sexton, when we're subtracting, what number comes first? The
big one.
The big number. Subtracting is most related to division. So we always have to put our whole in front. So what's the whole amount of cupcakes?
24.